and Michelle, I guess you're part of the team as well. I just wanted to do this quick video. Hopefully you can hear me over the fan because it's 1,000 degrees outside. I just wanted to do this video to kind of give you an idea. I didn't get to talk to everybody, so I just want y'all to have the information on this video, and you can delete it as you see fit. But to just kind of go through all of the files that you have. All of the files that I offered up here are for you to use. They're all brand right. They're all within the brand. You don't have to pick. You can use any one of them in any different form, and that's kind of what I planned. So, for example, I did the change you had requested, which was put the Donate a Bra Change a Life on top. The logo down here, I also put the .org in here. So that's all nice and compact now. And let's go to the next file. This is now with the color. I'm so glad you guys like the color because so did I. It's so much softer and powerful. So I love that she's African American. That makes me so happy. But anyway, this image, let's go back to here. It's called Brand Post 4Color. That's what 4C is, high res. So this is a bigger file. So if you wanted to get a banner of this, perhaps, maybe, let me know if it looks bitmappy when you get it big, but because I can fix it for you. But this is a higher res file. So if someone says, oh, that looks a little bitmappy, send them this one. And I specifically put high res in the title so you know. You can see right here, high res. It's not super high res, but it's more than what I have for this one, for example. Go get smaller. Why did you get big? There we go. This is called, I called this it's the same files, but it's a brand post and it's for web. So this is the 72 DPI. It's a lower resolution. So you would use this on the web. That's kind of why I put the web there. This is the same graphic, only with this bra graphic, which I thought was great too for you guys to use. You could just use that separately. That could be your icon or your favicon on your website. So that's another option there. And this one's a higher res because it says print. You see where it says print? That means it's a higher resolution. So you could actually get those printed on cards. That would be a really cute postcard, or just a handout. Or if it was a postcard, that'd be cool. And people could mail them, and there's your brand running around all over the world. This style guide is actually your rules. This is your toolbox of graphics. So of course your vertical logo here, and I had you use Montserrat for a font, preferably. That's just a preference. And then these are the web colors that you should use within your color palette. So whenever you guys, create something, if you could take these in with you and go, oh, it needs to be these are web colors, and they also translate into CMYK and RGB. So that's if you go to get a sign done, they can match these colors in their PMS colors. So that's a good thing to have with you. This is part of the toolbox. This GL I thought was kind of fun, and I liked it too on the top of this bra. As a background graphic, really, kind of very transparent in the background. Might be kind of cool as well. This is also now your brand, kind of your brand cover image. And then here's the other option of this. I'm calling them bra grids. I put it all compact within this box. So you could have it this way or you could have it this way. It's your call. Either way works. Again, it keeps getting bigger. I also did your vertical logo in a horizontal format. So if you have, instead of a box like a square space, you have like a more rectangular space to use, you would send this logo along. I have it just by itself here, and then I also have it with the bra graphic. So those are in this is all in your Google Drive. And then also you have an option for this vertical logo with the .org on it. And it obviously gets smaller, but that's nice to send along when it's outside of your website or something. They know, oh, it's a .org. I'll go check it out. Style guide. So then here's the broad grid. I already have that. I already showed that. I don't know. And here's the more compact version, and I called it Grid 2. This is the print version. So if you guys wanted to get it printed on something, you could use this file. This is just not print. This is if you were to put it on Facebook or something. So you could see it's way more compact because we don't have the white up there. It's just all within this grid, which I like. This is the another Facebook cover option for color. So you don't have to recreate this image in Facebook. You just pull this in. It's already made to the size that you need in Facebook. This is all you would put in there. And it's built so that it shows up on top. So just pull that sucker in. That's why I call it Facebook cover, so you guys would know. And this is actually the brand banner I'll show you. I also did a banner for you guys as a bonus. It's a 10 by 4 foot banner. It looks like this. And you can just take this file. It's built to specs. So you just take this file in your Google Drive here, put it on a flash drive because it won't be able to email. It's too big. But you could put it on a flash drive and take it into Office Depot, or you could upload it to what's the thing I looked at? Banner Buzz, I think, is the one you guys use sometimes. Let me see. Order custom banners. I think you guys use this for the step and repeats. You can just upload this to the 4x10 file. You know, upload artwork here. It's only 99 bucks. Pretty good deal. And then call it a day. And that's, like I said, built to specs. This is a high resolution, what did I call this? Brand, it's just a brand image. I think you can use this, like print this out if you wanted to. These are your headers. So the words charity is in there. I use all the keywords that are juicy within the internet, so that's why those are in there. This could go on your website in place of the one obviously you currently have. It's built to the same size, so you just put that sucker in there and it's good to go. Did I have another one in here? Oh, that's the black and white. It's not really black and white, it's duotone. But anyway, so I just wanted to kind of give you guys a walking tour here of all of your files so you know how to use them, what to use, when to use them. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, let me know, but I think you guys are all set. So enjoy, and talk to you guys.